أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Alhamdulillah, we had discussed the list we are going to discuss in details. So the first topic today we are going to discuss is about the universe. What is the viewpoint of the universe? Why this universe is, from where this universe is. So I think I should start with some queries. The first question is, how much height of the Eiffel Tower is 330 meters. How much the Mount Everest height is? 8,849 meters. Next question. What is the weight of the curtain of the Kaaba? It is 670 kilogram. How many rivers, big rivers in the world? These are 165. Yeah? Okay. Means the size of the continent of Asia. This is 310 million plus 33,131 square kilometer. It's Asian continent. Then this is the continent of Africa. This size. This is the continent of Europe. This is the continent of North America. Okay, these queries we had answers, and again we have these three questions. Who I am? I should ask from me, myself, who I am. If answer is this, my name is this, I live there, it is not you. All these informations are related to your passport, not you. Identification, the physical identification. Then question is, what is all about the life? Means what do you know about the life? And next question is, what is the significance of my creation? All the creation and the my creation. From here, I'll ask from you, which question is most important from these questions? Is this one? No? Is this one? Kaaba's Ghalaf? Which one?
The one on the right.
Sorry?
The questions on the right.
Yeah, of course. These are the most important because I am the most important creation on the earth, even in the universe. I am not the result of a coincidence, because when I look at my structure, it's very complicated, it's very sophisticated, it's very planned. How much sophisticated this structure is. In my body, for example, 1 trillion cells are there, and each cell, 100 trillion cells, and each cell has 1 trillion atoms, how it happened. Is a coincidence? Of course, no. So, on the next step, let us talk about the life. According to the biologist, you can say the people who are related to the medical science, according to them, life has different stages. The first stage is related to inorganic life. It includes minerals, solid substances, rigid substances like mountains, like stones. The second step is vegetative life. And next stage is organic life. Organic life includes zoological, life of, you can say, the animals, the birds, the insects. Animals, birds, insects. Inorganic, then vegetative, then organic life, and in the next step is a human life. And human life has about 7-8 different properties. Human life For example, when I see it, my body is a highly organized life. Yeah? Order, you can say. This is the one. Second, this body stimulates, it responds. For example, if there's a outside cold, it will respond. If I shake hand, it will respond. Body language, it will respond. So response is the second. The next one is reproduction. Means from one individual to the next. And next property is adaptation. Means this body tries to fit it with the environment. Yeah? So adaptation. Next one is growth. From unicellular to the multicellular. Then next property is homeostasis. Sorry. What is homeostasis? It's the system of instability, internal stability. And next is energy. The system, all the time, body is producing energy which is needed. Energy processing. And the last one is evolution. At the moment, we are now going to analyze critically what is this. So these are the stages of life according to the, you can say, the biologists, the scientists. But we have other stages of life. Up till now it was 4 stages, and now going to the next stage, which is all these 4 stages are related to the physical life, which can be perceived by the senses. Yeah, you can see, you can touch. Yeah, these 4 stages are related to the physical life. Inorganic, organic, vegetative, human life. Now the next step, which is there and which is reality, is a divine life. What is divine life? A human being living with intellect, with knowledge, with enlightenment. Do you know all the actions we have in our life? It is the result of physical actions or metaphysical pressure. It is under the thought. When you think something, you react, your body reacts. So all my life is working according to my thoughts, my, for example, intellect. Whatever I think, then I act or react. So it's called as divine life. There are many people, like you can say saints. Who are the saints? They eat, they drink like other people, but they have a different style of life. Awliya Ilahi, the prophets, the pious people, they have different style of life. Yeah? Okay, and then the next step is, it is real life. What is real life? Origin of life. Real life means, where is the origin life? the source who created the life, who is controlling the life, and that is the one, huwa al-hayyul qayyum. La ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. He is sustained. He doesn't need any help. And he is never, ever dies. But the life we are looking at, the material life, the mass, it dies and is become in the instinct position as well. Okay. Now, to understand the life, this universe, from where it started, some equations I have to explain here. If you break a meter, how much you can break it? Huh? 1 meter. And if you break it into different levels, second level is millimeter. Is okay? Then micrometer. S tens -3 and micro tens power -6. Then there is nanometer. And it is tens power -9. Can you imagine? And this is atom. Then is picometer. And it is tens power 12 negative. Then say the femtometer. Femtometer, it is the tens power 15 negative. And it is the atomic nucleus, up to which stage you can, and at the end, which is not imaginable, it is Planck meter. What is the value of this Planck meter? It is tens power 36. 36 negative. You can't imagine. Now, can you, like the meter, distribute the second? Time. The shortest scale of the time is second. Okay. It starts from second, then it goes to the blank time, and blank time it is, can you recite salawat please?
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
Blank time. How much? 5.39 10 power negative 44. Does time exist here? No. Time. It means there is an area, you can say, it is out of the time. Time doesn't have has access there. Means you can say there is a universe which is absolute. In this universe, time doesn't have any access. From this stage, energy was created. Positive and negative energy. Here, perhaps to give you a clue, or we can understand this stage of absolute time is, according to the Quran, is called as the stage of ultimate and absolute nur, and which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allahu nurus samawati wal ard. Absolute nur. And no one knows where is it, because up till now the informations we have just have the informations about the galaxies, and our scientists, they think galaxies are the ultimate universe, and it was created by was started by the Big Bang. Yeah? How many galaxies are there? 200 billion. 200 billion galaxies. And average, each galaxy has 1 billion stars. And according to the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, we have created 7 heavens. And زَيَّنَّا السَّمَاءَ الدُّنْيَا بِمَصَابِيهَا. And the last heaven, which we are living in it, the heaven of galaxies. Quran says, we have adorned the first sky with the lamps. So these 200 billion galaxies are the cluster of lamps. So this is the first sky. Question, is it coincidence? Can I bother? Can I imagine? So, when the absolute world is a world of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and no one can comprehend. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Qul hu wallahu ahad. Who, any absolute hidden. The absolute being cannot be comprehended by the definite being, limited being. A limited capacity of knowledge can't comprehend. So Quran says, Qul who, say my prophet, who means he, absolute hidden. No one knows who is he. And expression of he is Allah Samad. He is Allah, which is absolute hidden. He is Allah. Why he is absolute hidden? Okay, let us go to the next point. He the Almighty, He created the energy. Yeah? For example, positive and negative. Please recite a salawat.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
The first level was, the level of creation was the negative and positive energy. But the next level is the first level. The next level is these two energies are balanced. There is a still position. There is no creation. The magnitude of the both energies are equal. How beautiful. The Creator has created these two energies at the same magnitude, same level. But here stops the creation. And then there is an energy is needed which is called as neutral energy. Yeah? So the next level is positive, in between neutral, then negative. From here, from this second level, again these have had three energies and the creation process started. 3, 3, 3. But this energy from the top, when it came to the bottom, it was transformed into the matter, mass. Because as it came down, it became condensed condition, solid condition. Yes?
So is mass only created from neutral energy?
Means he is the controlling. All the plannings, all the... Because we see, when we study ontology, for example, the existence, holistically, from all the angles, we see in the universe, there are many things as absolute. What are the absolute? Knowledge is absolute. And every microsecond, knowledge is being increased. Order and system is absolute. How much energy is needed to run a family? how much energy and power is needed to run a country, and how much energy is needed and power to all the universe you are. Discipline, arrangement, planning, coordination, wisdom. All these actions are taking place in the universe are perfect and purposeful. It's not coincidence. It happened and happening. No, never. My wisdom doesn't accept it. How everything is going without. If I'm the result of my creation, if it is the result of coincidence, spontaneously I came out from the earth, means death and life has no meaning. If I kill many people, there is no meaning. But everyone wants to live. It means you have been created purposefully. Any question up till now? Please recite salawat.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Should we go further? Okay. Once again, please recite salawat.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Another principle which I can see in this universe, in Arabic, there are two sentences. Al-alamu mutaghayyirun. What it means? The universe is changing in every microsecond, you can say. Change is happening every microsecond. كل متغير حادث. And everything which is being changed, and change is continuously taking place, so it means it is the effect of a cause. Means in this entire universe, cause and effect is very, very much obvious. Every phenomena is the effect of some cause. And it goes to the unlimited stage. From the absolute energy or nur, what you can say, he is the ultimate source of all these happening and changings in the entire universe. So this is the law we are looking in the universe. Everything is being changed. If it is being changed, means it is the effect of a cause. What is the result? فَالْعَالَمُ حَادِثٌ. So the universe is effect of a cause. Universe is not itself, is the cause. Because universe is being changed. So have you seen the cause and effect? Yeah? Everything is being changed, and everything, if it is being changed, it is the effect of a cause. So result, universe is being changed, so it is the effect of a cause. And which cause is not the effect of some other cause? There should be a pause, a stop point. A person came to Amir al-Mu'mineen Ali ibn Abi Talib, salawatullah. He said, Ya Ali, how do you believe in Allah? Imam replied, do you the numbers? What is after 1? He said 2. He asked, and what is after 2? He said 3. And Imam then asked, okay, what is before 3? He said 2, obviously. And what is before 2? He said 1. Imam said, what is before 1? He said, no one. There must be a starting point, and it shouldn't be stopped. It should be stopped there. So the 1 is the 1, it is the last point of the creation. It's like numbers. Is it beautiful? Yeah? Just a simple Imam alayhi salatu wasalam, he stated the oneness of Allah subhanahu. So there must be one, not many. It's a one who created everything. Not many, there were many and they created many. No. The system, the order, the harmony, the management, the discipline, absolute knowledge, all other traits and qualities, and what you say, these are absolute. We are looking at the universe. Next question. If this universe, someone not has created it with the planning, it means universe was started with ignorance. How ignorance can create the knowledge? How the disturbance can create the order? No. Obviously there is a plan behind all the system of creation. And there is another rule, like this rule, فاقد الشيء لا يعطيه. What it means? Faqid, who doesn't have? Yeah? Who lacks? Who doesn't have? Can he give? Can he give? No. If there was no plan, if there was no means, knowledge in the universe, how, from where it is? Can a stone give a milk? فاقد الشيء لا يعطي means who doesn't have, he is unable to give. A zero and null cannot create everything. Nothing cannot create everything. Is it possible? There was nothing and he created everything. There was some, and that absolute being is Allah subhanahu ta'ala. Salawat bar Muhammad wa ali.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى
I think for today is enough, inshallah. Salawat bar Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.